In this video, I'm going to show you some amazing Herbalife cocktails, wellness cocktails you can make at home, and they're delicious and nutritious for busy moms. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. I'm here to help you become body confident, healthier, and happier with the right wellness strategies so you don't have to stress over dieting, calorie restrictions, body image, or what other people think of you. So if you want weekly tips on body confident lifestyle, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my next video drops. Okay folks, especially busy moms out there, this is finally my time to show you some of the very amazing wellness cocktails that I make with Herbalife products at home. I drink these cocktails almost every day, and the reason why I want to share with you is because a lot of times people will like message me and ask me like, what kind of drink can I drink? Does this drink have too much sugar? Does that drink have too much this? And is it beneficial for me? So to be honest with you guys, I don't really drink any bottled beverages or any juice or anything from outside. I mainly stick to water, and also I make my own fruit punch and cocktails with the Herbalife products at home, and that is because they're delicious and they're actually very, very healthy and nutritious for you. So why not, right? I want all the good benefits and all the good wellness goodness for my body, instead of paying a lot of dollars for the kind of drinks that really don't have any benefits for your body apart from just giving your body lots of sugar. So I want to show you guys the three cocktail recipes that I make at home every day. So personally, I really love these wellness cocktails made from Herbalife products, and I've made them for a lot of my families and friends, and pretty much everybody has been raving about them. They really love the taste and they just love how it feels in their body. And I've recommended these recipes to a lot of my students and clients in the community. So I thought, why not sharing these recipes with you guys here, right? So if you guys have any comments or any questions, just write them in the comment below. All right, so let's go. I'm going to make Collagen Tea Time, Protein Punch, and Energizer. Okay, the first drink, Collagen Tea Time. So you just need Collagen Beauty Booster and the Herbal Tea Concentrate. And it's up to you to choose which flavor. So personally, I prefer the original because it really goes with everything. And I really love combining these two together. Okay, so it's very easy. You take 1 scoop of the Collagen Beauty Booster powder with however much you need from the tea. So the normal tea dosage is about half a teaspoon. That's what I recommend, like if you need a really good energy booster. But for me personally, because I'm very caffeine sensitive, so I take just even quarter or even less right now. So what I usually do is I actually sprinkle the tea powder into the glass according to how much I need, right? So here, this is how I sprinkle, and that's probably about I'll say 1/3 or quarter of a teaspoon. So I sprinkle that into the glass first, and now I make my collagen. Now I don't put the collagen straight into the glass because those of you who are familiar with this collagen powder, you might find that it's actually very hard to dissolve the collagen powder with cold water, right? It would take you a long time to dissolve it, and sometimes I use a little bit of warm water just to help. But what I've found really works, and the most effective way to do this, is by getting yourself a shot glass. Okay, so you want to mix the collagen powder in a shot glass first, because the glass is small. Okay, so you can see here, I'm just gonna pour in here because the glass is so small and you don't need a lot of liquid. You just need to pour in, just a little bit, right? Maybe half of a shot glass, or like me, a little bit more than half of a shot glass, and you start mixing in here. It's actually easier to mix when you have less water and when you try to mix it in a smaller space rather than trying to mix it in a bigger glass with more water. It will take you forever. All right, so this is my trick. So once it's done, pour into the glass. But what I like to do is I like to actually pour in the water first. So you mix the tea, right? maybe just about half. Yeah, now you guys can see. And then you're pouring the collagen. Oh yeah, look at that color. It's like a nice, tea pink color, right? So you can have, it really depends on, your own personal flavor. You can have it just like that, or you can actually dilute it with more water if you like. What I usually like to do is I keep it this way and I'm adding some ice. So it's amazing in summer when you're adding some ice. It becomes a really refreshing cocktail, right? And then the final touch will be a few slices of lemon or mint. I don't have lemon here today, but I'll just adding some mint. Oh my god, this is like so amazing. Look at this, such a refreshing drink, right? So I call this the Collagen Tea Time. This is a perfect item for self-care, right? For the busy moms, when you just have a quick moment to wind down for yourself, pour yourself a drink, right? Pour yourself a drink that boosts your your beauty, boosts your collagen production, but also it boosts your energy, and that's what the tea does, right? We all need a lot of energy as moms to run around, to have energy to play with our kids. So this is one of the perfect drinks that you can have, right? So I normally drink this drink in the morning, actually, because in the morning that's when our body needs most energy, and also morning, especially when you take this drink on an empty stomach, or you haven't had a big meal, that's when the collagen can actually be best absorbed. Okay, so I usually take my collagen tea drink in the morning. Okay, now the next drink, the protein punch. Instead of fruit punch, you have protein punch, which has fruity flavor. So we have the beverage mix, which is protein beverage mix. This one gives you 15 grams of protein per serving. And then we have our favorite herbal aloe concentrate, and here we're using the mango flavor. Okay, so we are basically mixing these two together. It's a great combo, a great cocktail, wellness cocktail to boost your protein intake, right? So as busy moms, it's very hard to get the adequate amount of protein intake per day from the meals, right? So it's actually very important that whenever we get a chance to have a drink, we can even, drink our protein, right? So let's go ahead and mix these two. Right, so here we have the wild berry flavor, which is a newer addition, right, to the peach mango one. So you take about 2 scoops, okay, so 2 scoops, 2 flat scoops into the glass, okay, and let's mix with water. Look at that beautiful pink color. Wow. So basically, you get yourself a beautiful, refreshing drink with 15 grams of protein in here, simply by mixing the beverage mix with a herbal aloe concentrate. And it's really up to you to decide which flavor you want, as we have, more than 3-4 different flavors for the aloe vera. And also now that we have 2 different flavors available for the beverage mix. So either you get the wild berry, or you can actually choose your peach mango, right? And there's a beautiful protein punch. Finally, we have the Energizer, which is basically energy tea, aka the Brazilian herbal tea with your herbal aloe concentrate. A lot of you guys are probably quite familiar with this recipe, because I recommend this recipe for our healthy breakfast routine, right? So this is something that if you have already been taking it, continue to do it. Those of you who haven't tried this combo, you gotta start it now. Right, so you can see that my Energizer tea here is very light, so it's not too concentrated, because a lot of times when I drink this in the afternoon. I just want like a very mild, gentle energy booster, so I don't really put in a lot of powder, just a little bit, but the key here is the hydration, right? So I usually put more aloe vera concentrate in here, but for our demonstration here today, I just pour in 1 cap, but normally I will do 2 to 3 actually 2 to 3 caps of aloe vera in here. So it's more like, the portion is more hydration over the boost, the caffeine boost from the energy tea. I like it because energy gives me that nice mild energy boost, okay, and together with the aloe vera, it just makes such a nice refreshing hydration option. So this is something that I drink every day, sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon. I can take like a couple of servings of this every day. Okay, so this is your Energizer. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed my recipes. And of course, there are many other Herbalife wellness cocktail recipes that you can try as well. But today, I just want to focus on these 3 because they're so good for helping your body get that extra protein intake and boost your energy, and also to help you boost that collagen production as well, which is really important for us, especially if you're over the age of 30 and you're a busy mom as well. Okay, so if you guys want to work with me and to work on your body wellness and body confidence, you can sign up to my Body Confidence Mastery program. And if you're someone who's looking for a Herbalife coach and you haven't tried any Herbalife programs before, you're more than welcome to join our Herbalife Nutrition Club. Okay, so inside the club, you can get step-to-step guide, and also you can also join our community for more support. Having a coach to guide you while you're using the Herbalife product is actually one of the most effective ways for you to get the optimal results, right? So I understand a lot of you guys out there who are using the products without any guidance, or you may have got your products from some, unknown sources, right? So I just want to let you guys know that it's very important for you to get coaching with your products so that you can actually get results. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your comments and also your experience with the Herbalife cocktails, and just drop in the comment below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram at Authentic Energy. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.